What are short sellers? Have you ever heard the media talk about how a share price was dropped because the short sellers pushed it down? Who are these short sellers? Are they some big demon in the market? Is it the evil hedge funds? Who are they? But before we go any further, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that you get notified of all of my future videos, because I've got new trading content coming out all the time and I don't want you to miss a thing. Well, short sellers is just a generic term for anyone who sells stocks short. Now, short sellers are not evil. They're not unethical traders. They're not all predatory hedge fund managers trying to drive companies out of business. All they are is people who sell stocks short. Selling stocks short or short selling is not an unethical, illegal practice. It's an integral part of the market and the way it works. So short sellers are just the people that do that. Shorting is when you borrow a stock from your broker, you sell it at a high price, you buy it back hopefully later at a lower price, and you make the difference as profit. Now, shorting is not without risk. Of course, your stocks that you sell short can move against you. If you sell a stock at 100 and it goes to 150, you've lost $50 per share. If you sell a stock short at 100 and it goes to 1,000, you've lost $900 per share. The losses or the risks on the short side are pretty high, but it doesn't mean it's not a great strategy. You've just got to manage your risk really tightly. So short sellers are just normal traders. Yes, some hedge funds or many hedge funds do sell short. And yes, there are some hedge funds who are predatory in their trading behavior and do try and use shorting to push the price down and cause troubles for a company. But in general, short sellers are just everyday traders like you and I. Nothing to get excited about. It's just one of those terms the media likes to throw around to make themselves sound smart and point the finger to blame at someone else. But shorting is completely ethical. I'm going to talk about that in another video coming up real soon. Hope this helps. My name's Adrian Reid. This is Enlightened Stock Trading. Don't be afraid of short selling. Brilliant strategy, particularly when there's a bear market. And to smooth your equity growth over a long period of time, you need to be able to make money when the markets go up and when the market goes down. So if you're not a short seller, then maybe it's a strategy you should think about learning. Click the link below in the description or read the blog post you're watching this on to find out more about short selling. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye for now.